Hey guys, welcome back. I got another video for you. Now this happened on 4/5 of 2025 in Hillsborough County, Florida, where the Hillsborough County Sheriff Marine Unit got a call from the dispatch that there was a crash of a boat near one of the islands. So they went to the island, they found some people in the water and rescued them. So bravo Zulu to the people of the Sheriff Department Marine Unit. And also, guys, it's very important that you make sure you know where your safety equipment is on board your vessel. So let's go ahead and take a look at this video.
Hello, 911. Hello. Hey, it's Hunter. Are you guys able to swing by near Spoil Island on the west side? We had a crash alert where there's like a big party out there.
You had a crash alert?
Yeah, it came in like a crash alert, but it was just loud music and nothing else was heard.
Yeah. Is it the North Spoil Island or the South Spoil Island?
The south one, in between like
on the
McDill.
west side?
Yes, sir. In between like McDill and the island.
Like right here. Okay.
Hey, I want you to grab this, okay? Grab it. Grab the line. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Hold on, sir. Hang on to the line, all right? Hang on to it. Come on. Stay right there, okay? Hold on to this line. Wrap it. You got it? Go ahead.
Just to confirm, Coast Guard was asking, we got everybody out of the water all accounted for?
Everyone is out of the water and all accounted for.
You okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Hey, I'm glad everyone is okay. That's the most important thing.
I really appreciate it.
Of course.